a good poll question just to ask? Just in a light one, a fun one. But if you were to start a poll right now, what would you pick? And you go ahead, pick something, and don't look forward anyway. Now you pick. Do you love? Boom, you're live. Do you love? Yeah. But now I've influenced you on, swayed you on, like the emotions of the ocean. You can't have that. Go ahead though now. You can do the next one. We can pull as soon as one person.
Action movie you've seen.
Oh.
Well, that's what you say. Ask you anything.
I'll tell you. Start a poll. Well, yeah, I guess so they can reply. No, well, they can put it in the comments. That's what
isn't that the whole point?
Well, no, I just wanted them to. Oh boy. It's literally a poll. You just say yes or no. You click it. Or you could. I can adjust it for you. You can pick 2 movies. Have you seen either of these 2? And if they've seen both, though, there's no. I have to create a 3rd one for both. You've just done it. It's so much more difficult. So now it's yellow. Everyone's trying to catch a glimpse.
Well,
This guy wants a serious glimpse.
Central Apartments.
Just having some glimpses. Do you love pizza, honey?
I enjoy pizza, yes. One of my favorites.
Yes. So
I do like just like a platter of like finger food, like I like.
Oh, a mixture,
and
appies.
crackers,
So, now we're
olives,
talking
pickles,
anti-pesto platter. Anti-pesto.
crackers, different kinds of cheeses, dips, veggies. I can eat that for lunch. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Stay away from like heavier foods and eat a bunch of really flavorful, dense foods. Not really all that, except for the cheese and maybe some of the, depending what kind of dip you use. It's pretty light calories, but yet you get a whole plate of it. One grapes, maybe a couple of fruit pieces on there.
I like the bowls. So I'll go bowl on you for a bit. Taco salad bowl. Then I'll go on you. I'll say that other bowl with the rice and the quinoa bowl. So we'll do 2 separate bowls or a mixture of both. Zach right there. Wow. And what else? Name some other bowls. Mexican fajita night. So that type of bowl. That's a good one with fajita vegetables. What else? Anybody in the chat think any? Ooh, I know. We'll do pizza. Look at this.
I don't know this person's name.
Wow.
Like, are you paying attention at all?
Wow, that was awesome. So they're gonna force the little blue car to drive faster.
The car has not driven faster. It's going the same speed.
This guy.
They're late for work.
Yeah, and he's doing. Oh, wow.